बात करते हैं जीव विज्ञान प्रयोगशाला की बायोलैब की। यहाँ न केवल विभिन्न जीव जंतुओं के स्पेसिमेन और बहुत सारे माइक्रोस्कोप देखने को मिलेंगे, बल्कि आप जैसे ही अंदर प्रवेश करेंगे लगेगा कि जैसे लैब के हर स्पेसिमेन से लेकर के हर इंस्ट्रूमेंट जीवंत हो उठी हैं। यहाँ आकर के आप रियल जो पूरी दुनिया के जीव जंतु और जो जैव विविधता का जो दर्शन है वो आपको करने को मिल जाएगा। तो चलिए चलते हैं बायोलैब में।
वेलकम टू बायोलैब in JNB Chizda, district Jangir Champa. Biology is all about living organisms and how they successfully survive on this earth. So here I want to teach maximum concepts on living systems. This is our practical list for different classes. Students come and see practicals. Now these are the platforms where students sit, 7 students in one row, and they carry out the practicals. We are having 16 compound microscopes, and these compound microscopes are well maintained, and they prepare slides, temporary slides, to study the pollen germinations, and they study the effect of sugar solution on it. We are having a monocular compound microscope where students can very easily get a very magnified image of the slides, the micro objects. Then we are having this digital weight box. It is sensitive and gives 0.2 decimal places of measurement of chemicals and the soil samples, etc., which the students use for analysis during the experiments. The DNA is a very catchword nowadays. The DNA model made by our students very nicely. These are quadrat apparatus used for survey of plant population in the garden. This is 12th class experiment. Student measure the density of plants in our surrounding gardens. We are having this evolution models of human beings. Then students made a big dinosaurs, which is an extinct animal, very beautifully done. Then we are having the museum specimens also displayed in the tables, and here we are having this museum specimen both for plants and animal species. Then here we are having the stages of human embryo development, and then we are having this lungs model, then the internal organs model of human being, the human eye model, brain model, heart model, etc., which are being used during the teaching of these topics to the students. Then we are having this lungs model also, the structure of ears, etc. We are having this glass apparatus used for different experiments. This corner is used for for heating, etc., by the students. Then we are having this pond water sample used for testing of microorganisms in different samples of water. Then these are the experiments made ready for students in different batches. So mostly they have to carry out the slide making procedures with safranin, glycerin, then methylene blue, etc. Then this is the storehouse. Some extra chemicals are put here, and some extra specimens are also there. We are having also LCD projector. Frequently we use this LCD projector to explain the different internal structure, etc., and different biological process to senior class students. Also the junior class students are invited to this lab whenever we are having free classes from the senior students. Thank you.
निश्चित ही ये प्रयोगशालाएं आधुनिक युग के तीर्थ हैं और इन तीर्थ स्थलों में छात्र छात्राएं न केवल तथ्यों का परीक्षण करते हैं बल्कि इसके माध्यम से ही इनके बीच एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग भी डेवलप होता है और एक भाईचारा भी पनपता है। साथ ही साथ हम तो ये कहते हैं कि इन प्रयोगशालाओं में आकर ही उनका माइंड भी ऑन होता है, इसीलिए तो कहा गया है हैंड्स ऑन माइंड्स ऑन। और इन्हीं प्रयोगशालाओं में ही हम एप्लीकेशंस और थ्योरी के बीच के डिफरेंस को समझ सकते हैं और सबसे बड़ी जो परीक्षा होती है वो है आपके धैर्य की, आपके सावधानी की। तो निश्चित ही आपको इन प्रयोगशालाओं को विजिट करके मज़ा आया होगा। ज़रूर आप भी किसी आसपास के स्कूल के प्रयोगशाला में जाइए, प्रयोग कीजिए और विज्ञान के इन आधुनिक चमत्कारों को नमस्कार कीजिए। थैंक यू।